Hello, in front of me I have AMAZFIT T-Rex Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen on your watch, you can swipe left on the screen or press the back button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the option called, or rather the icon called Settings, and then tap on it to open the settings. In Settings, let's scroll down and find the option called Display and tap on it, and here find the option called Auto Screen Off and select it. As you can see, here we have the list of durations. And we have 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20, 25 and 30 seconds. Select the duration you like, for example 15 seconds, tap on the check mark to confirm, and once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And now my screen should turn off automatically after 15 seconds of an activity. So we can wait a couple more seconds and it should turn off. Like this. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.